Hi everyone, welcome back for a new video. Today I'll show you a simple surface technique on polymer clay. First, take a sheet of conditioned white colored polymer clay for the base. Not too thin, slightly thicker. Next, use any acrylic paint. There are many shades of gold. I took a lighter shaded gold in this. Dab on the paint gently with a sponge. Spread the paint to let only a little bit transfer to the sponge. Then slightly press the sponge on the clay. It creates a textured effect. Take some more paint. Spread it with a squeegee. Take any round cutters next. Dip the cutter into the paint. Now transfer this paint onto the base. I am slightly pressing the cutter into the clay. Now stamp the surface in whichever design you want. I'm using different sizes of round cutters to create a concentric circle pattern. Sometimes the paint gets collected at the edges. Remove it with a tissue or a wet wipe to get a crisp print. As soon as you finish stamping, clean all the cutters thoroughly. Now I am painting mica powder with a pointed brush in the ring portion. I wanted to create a lighter design. That's why I used lighter colors in all the materials. If I use any darker clay like black, the print will be elevated. Once done, cut the slab into shapes for your jewelry and bake accordingly. These were baked, sanded and sealed. When you use mica powder on the clay surface, always apply gloss varnish or resin. In this case, I applied varnish instead of resin as I wanted a slight texture. I hope you liked this video. Follow our channel for more fun ideas to create jewelry.